Wondering how to register for classes? Follow these simple steps to ensure your registration process goes smoothly. Step 1. Go to centrallink.cmich.edu and enter your global ID and password. If you need additional assistance with this step, use the links provided below to retrieve your information. Step 2. After you're signed in, at the top of the page, click on My Account and select Course Search/Registration/Drop and Add under the Academics heading. This will take you to the course search and registration page. Step 3. Select the appropriate academic term and year. For reference, the fall semester runs from August through December, the spring semester runs from January through April, and the summer semester runs from May through August. After clicking the term, you may be asked to resolve problems with your profile, and that's okay. Just follow the prompts to resolve these issues and proceed. Step 4. On the course search and registration page, select Other Criteria to narrow your search. You can indicate a specific department, location, or keyword to hone in on a particular class. However, you must complete at least one of the department locations or keyword fields to complete a search. In the search results box, select the campus you would like to sign up for. Remember, online refers to courses that require no face-to-face meetings and are entirely on the web. Mount Pleasant refers to courses that take place on CMU's main campus in Mount Pleasant, and Global refers to courses at a CMU satellite location. You may select as many campus options as you prefer. Step 5. Select your desired course to check its availability. Open seats mean that the course still has seats available. Typically, full means that the course does not have seats available. For most courses, you can join a course waiting list, but remember, that is not a guarantee you'll get that course for the desired semester. Remember to verify that the time, location, and delivery fields meet your needs. When you find a section that appeals to you, click on the teal Info button. This box will allow you to view the syllabus and student opinion scores if available. When you are done reviewing this information, click OK. Step 6. If you would like to register for a section, click the green REG button, or you can click the +My button to plan your courses and view how they fit into your weekly schedule in My Course Week. By selecting the +My option, you can identify any potential overlaps. To register for any classes with co-requisites, you will need to use the +My option. If you click the green REG button, a registration confirmation box will appear. Confirm that the course and section number are correct, then click the maroon Register button. Once the system has processed your request, a Registration Successful box will appear. Click Close. If you click the +My button, continue searching, planning, and adding all your courses to +My. When all courses have been added, click on the blue Plan tab. Then click on the square box next to each individual course to select the courses you want, or click on the square box next to the heading course to select all of them. Then click the green Register button. A registration confirmation box will appear. Confirm that the course and section number are correct, then click the maroon Register button. Step 7. Confirm that the course is now listed under My Courses in the green Registered tab.